We'll guide you through how to email a Google Doc quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Doc that you want to email. Look for the File menu option in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Email, and then choose Email this file. A new window will pop up where you can enter the recipient's email address. You can add multiple emails if needed by separating them with commas. Below that, there's a subject line which will automatically include the name of your document, but you can edit it if you want. There's also a message field where you can type a short message to introduce your document or provide additional context. Next, you'll see an option to choose the format of your document. By default, it's usually set to PDF, which is a good choice because it preserves the formatting. However, you can choose from other formats like Microsoft Word or plain text if that's more suitable for your recipient. Once everything looks good, click the Send button. Your Google Doc will be sent directly to the recipient's email inbox. It's important to note that you don't need to attach the file manually. Google Docs handles that for you automatically. This method is really convenient when you want to share your document with someone who doesn't use Google Docs, or if you want to ensure they receive a copy in a specific format. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.